Hey YouTube. So I know it's been a while since I made a video, but something hilarious is going on right now. Hey Minnie. Come on, Bella. Come on, guys. Look at this shit. Come here. It's the dogs. You alright? Huh? You a little upset? You don't care at all, do you? You're not really pissed like the other two were. You just kind of got curious. Hey, well, what the Bella Meadow. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, you guys. Hey, you don't want to, huh? I don't blame you. Want to see this? Look at this. She hates this. She's going to get so angry. Well, she's not getting angry. She's going to get scared out of her mind. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look. You ain't gotta let those dogs hurt you. There's a door. They ain't going to get in. Yeah, now you're a little curious, huh? Well, you guys know it's been a while since I made videos. You know, haven't done anything about the Chiefs being 4-0 yet. It's just, I've been kind of, I don't know, been off. Haven't been feeling like making videos or nothing. But I wanted to show you guys this because it was pretty funny earlier. It's kind of funny still, but Cat's meeting the dogs for the first time. Can't let them in through that door anyway. Or else, yeah. There'd be a couple dead cats if I did that. But, door's sealed for the most part. That's you know, if I wasn't here, obviously I wouldn't leave that open. But, peace.